the third episode of Gossipy Mondays. I am Mansi, and here we talk about everything around books but the book reviews. As I said in my last video, this time I'm going to try and do something different. So here I am with a reading marathon. Basically, I'm going to read for 24 hours and I'm going to try and complete this whole set of 7 books of Chronicles of Narnia by C.S. Lewis. Yes, you heard it right. 7 books in 24 hours. Since it's my first time, so this time I've chosen the books which are around 200 pages each. I wanted to read these books from a long time, and finally I think I'm going to cherish the land of Narnia as much as I love Hogwarts. Throughout this challenge, I'm going to update you guys as to what is going on in the book and how much time I'm taking in completing each part, and I'll give a remark about each part at the end of that book. And if you want a detailed review of this set of Chronicles of Narnia, then do share in the comment section below. I would love to do that. So let's get started. Well, right now it's 7 a.m. in the morning and the challenge will end at the same time tomorrow. And this is the first book of the series Chronicles of Narnia, that is Magician's Nephew. Well, before getting started with the reading process, I think I'll need my morning coffee, so be right back. Now I'm all set to read, so let's begin. Well, 1 hour has passed and the story is going pretty well. The book is about 2 children, Polly and Diggory, who got into another world where there is an evil sorceress who's trying to conquer the whole world and make everyone her slave. Right now I am at the scene of the fight at the lamppost, where there is a fight going on between these 2 children and the evil sorceress. And the speed I am going with, I think I'll complete the book in an hour or 2. So here I am, completed with the first part. It's 10 a.m. in the morning and I took 2.5 hours to complete this particular part. Well, in this book, the establishment of Narnia has taken place. Aslan the Lion has created the magical land of Narnia, and now the Chronicles of Narnia are going to take place. I enjoyed this book and I'm really looking forward to read the second part. But first, I think I will freshen up a bit quickly. So now I'm going to start reading this second part of Chronicles of Narnia, that is The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. First of all, I need to mention this, how colorful all these books are. They're so attracting me to read them. Okay, that's it. So let's get to reading. Well, it's 1:30 p.m. right now and I am done with the second part, that is The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. And the book has 170 pages in total with 17 chapters. And the story is about 4 siblings, that is Peter, Edmund, Lucy and Susan, who are going to enter into Narnia through a secret opening, that is a wardrobe, and they are going to cherish and have many adventures in the magical land of Narnia. Over there they are going to meet the White Witch and the Great Lion Aslan. And I was so intrigued and amazed by the description of Narnia that I think soon I am going to try and find the secret opening to Narnia at my home. Well, in Narnia, you will find that all the animals over there talk like humans. Overall, I would say that this book is better for me in comparison to the first part. Okay, so well, let's not waste more time because I have 5 more books to go and only 18 hours left to complete all that. So let's start with the third book, that is The Horse and His Boy. Right now it's 4 p.m. and I am done with the third part, that is The Horse and His Boy. This book is about Sashta, Aravis and a horse named Bree. All 3 have escaped their harsh lives and together they are on a journey where they'll meet Peter, Edmund, Susan and Lucy, and they'll fight a battle against the evil that will also decide the fate of Narnia. We're 3 books down and I'm a bit tired from all the reading, so I think I'm gonna go and make myself a cup of coffee. Well, I'm all set with my coffee and right now I'm going to start the 4th part, that is Prince Caspian of Chronicles of Narnia. And as I'm a bit tired from all the reading, so I think this book might take a bit more time in comparison to the books I have already read. So let's see how this one turns out for me. 8 p.m. right now, and I have completed the fourth book, that is Prince Caspian. And the story is all about how the four siblings I mentioned before, that is Peter, Edmund, Lucy, and Susan, are going to help Prince Caspian to win back his throne from his evil uncle. And I must mention this, I have a huge crush on Caspian. His description is so good in the book. Well, 4 books are done and 3 more to go. So let's not stop and keep going with the marathon. Well, next in the series is this book, that is the 5th book, The Voyage of the Dawn Treader. And I am super excited to read this one as there are dragons in the story. And I don't know why, but dragons always fascinate me a lot. So let's begin. Finally completed this one too, and I must say the book is really good. The story is all about King Caspian, Edmund, Lucy, and a new character Eustace with some other people too, and together they are on a voyage to the end of the world, that is to Aslan's country. And throughout the journey you are going to experience magnificent things which are going to blow your mind. Right now I am in my living room rather than my bedroom so that I don't fall asleep. And though it's 12 a.m. and I'm super exhausted, but still I'm willing to go on reading because I think a beautiful end is waiting for me. Now I have 7 hours and 2 books left to read. That is the 6th book, The Silver Chair, and the 7th book, that is The Last Battle. I'll update you about what is in these books once I'm done reading them. So let's get to reading. Hey guys, it's 6:30 in the morning and I've finally completed my reading marathon. I'm done with the last 2 books too, and here I am watching this beautiful sunrise and I thought ki अकेले क्यों देखो, let's record it for you guys. That was a close one. Literally 30 minutes were left and मेरा challenge complete हुआ. I won't lie, there were times I felt like यार complete नहीं होने वाला है and I am feeling sleepy. So I should just go and sleep because challenge तो वैसे भी नहीं हो पाएगा. But here I am all done with the last 2 books too, and I am really happy that I did it because the end of Chronicles of Narnia is amazing and I'm going to cherish this story forever. Do share if you have done any of these kind of experiences, reading marathons or reading continuously for a long time. I would love to know about that. And also tell me if you want that I should upload more such challenges in future. So I'll prepare about that. And I mentioned it in the starting of the video too. If you guys want a detailed review about Chronicles of Narnia, then mention in the comment section. I'll do that. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Books Gossip. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. And don't forget, I come up with new videos on every Mondays. You could also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here on the screen. I post many book aesthetics and fun reels over there. You would enjoy that. So please do follow me over there. And right now I am super sleepy, so I'll just go and sleep and you guys keep reading. Bye.